Okay guys, welcome to my new video. With this quick video, I need your attention. Please, I will show you exactly how to earn from a unlimited affiliate program and how to make a passive income every single day. All you have to do is set this method and you will earn unlimited cash every single day, exactly like this from a pioneer. All all I have to do is withdraw to my bank account and I will get this money. This is a great money, like you see. And of course I will show you how to earn from a Bitvertiser. uh, like you see, I have over 6,500 dollars. And of course, from SEO Clerks, you can see I get unlimited $1,500 every single month. And of course, this is a new program. I have a little commission here. I will show you exactly. Okay, this is not a big money, but you can earn this cash every single day absolutely on autopilot. And of course I will show you how exactly how to earn from a Legit. This is like a Fiverr. Okay, like a Fiverr affiliate program. I will show you exactly how this working and how to get a commission every single day. And of course, with this method you can earn, if you want, Satoshi and Bitcoin. Okay, I will show you exactly how this working. And of course I will show you how to promote Fowler and get sales every single day. Of course you have to take action. You have to learn this method, and you will succeed, guaranteed. But you have to take action and do exactly what I will show you, exactly how this system works. Okay, so let's start, and I will show you how exactly you can earn a passive income every single day. Okay, now step number one, please go to Fowler. You can see and sign up. You can sign up for free and go to search. Okay, go to search, and you can type any service you wish. Okay, basically you have some services here. I recommend to choose this product. Let's say visit, and you will get this page, and you can see this is your affiliate link. Okay, in this case this is my affiliate link. So basically I will copy. This is step number one. I will copy and go to mass traffic monster. Don't worry, I will put a link below this video so you can get the program, and you will get you can download and set up in your PC, and you will get this fantastic traffic source software. This is one of the best traffic source that you can use to promote any affiliate program. So basically all you have to do, go again to Fowler and copy your link and put in the software. Okay, like this. Select your package traffic and select your category. This is very important to select correct category. Okay, let's find. Okay, let's go to advertising and create a new campaign. Okay, let's give it a time. Okay, right now this is pending. So let's activate it. All you have to do is double click on the link and go to activate selected link. Okay, now this is an active correct category advertising. This is very important, and we will get 50,000 visitors to this link. Now, basically, we will get signups and visitors to this link, and when they purchase from this link, we will earn. In this case, we will earn 20% commission. This is a fantastic commission, and this is a great commission. Now, step number two, go to a coin payu and sign up, of course, for free and go to promo materials, and you will get this link. So let's copy and back to the software and fill your link in the correct place and click create new campaign. And of course, let's activate it. Great. Now let's go to uh, Legit and sign up for a free, and you can select any product you want. For example, I will go here and we will get this page. Now let's go here to find, okay, this is, you can see in uh, great commission here. So let's copy and back to the software and add link here in the top and create. Okay, make sure you have the correct category and of course 50,000 visitors and click create a new campaign. That's great. That's fantastic. We will activate it. Okay, now let's go to Fiverr affiliate program. Don't worry about all these links. I will put everything below this video so you can sign up and do the same work. Okay, so this is Fiverr affiliate program. Let's go to marketing tools. Let's find our link. Okay, this is a default and deep links. So let's go and here and copy and go to the software. That's great. Create a new campaign and let's activate. Okay, then go to SEO clerks. Like I said, don't worry, I will put all the links below this video and go to the bottom. You can see affiliate program. go to affiliate program and then go to what are my affiliate links. Go here and you will get this links. So all you have to do is copy and go to the software and of course create new campaign. Let's activate. That's great. Now we have some links. We will get signups, and from there we will get unlimited sales and commission, a passive earning and passive income from this great method. Okay. Now let's go to a bit advertiser. Okay, like you see, I earn from this program over 6,500 dollars. You can get this money to your PayPal or to your Bitcoin, your choice. Okay, now let's get our link. All you have to do is go to a referral program. Like you see, I get 160 clicks, free joining from this program this month. Okay, and let's go to refer. You can see here refer advertisers and go here, click HTML links and click promote your website with Bitvertiser. Okay, you have to select and select. Then you will get this link. You have to delete from here and keep only your link. Okay, and of course let's delete from here. Okay, this is our link. So let's copy and add it to the program. And of course, create a new campaign. And let's activate. Okay, that's great. Now we have some affiliate programs, some affiliate links on the software. This program, this software will promote our links absolutely on autopilot. You don't have to do nothing. Okay, all you have to do is add your links to this software, and this software, Mass Traffic Monster, will promote your links, and you will get unlimited signups, and of course from there you will get unlimited commission and earning and purchases and leads, and this is a fantastic method and fantastic program. Of course this method will make you unlimited cash. Like here, like I said, all you have to do when you get your commission, you can get this cash to your bank account, and with the bit advertiser you can get this cash to your PayPal or Bitcoin account, your choice. With SEO Clerk, you can get this commission to your history. You can get to your Pioneer or your PayPal. Okay, and of course with Fiverr you will get this commission. You can get it to your PayPal account or your Pioneer account. With the Legit, of course you can get this commission to your PayPal, Pioneer, and let's see. uh, point you, you can get this commission only to your Bitcoin account. That's fantastic. I really recommend to start your Bitcoin business. Okay, you can download the blockchain or Binance and start earning a passive income with Bitcoin. And of course, with Fowler, you will get your commission to your Pioneer account exactly like I did. You can see I have three cells from Fowler. This is not a big commission, but this is a great money. I recommend to start with this method. You will earn unlimited cash from unlimited affiliate programs, and this is a great. I recommend to start right now. All you have to do is check all the links below this video. I recommend to download Mass Traffic Monster. This is one of the best traffic sources. Like you see, I already get very target visitors to my links. So I don't have to do nothing. Okay, this program will promote my links. I will get uh, traffic and visitors, and of course from there unlimited commission. And I really like this commission. Uh, all our students using this method and earning from this great method. So I really recommend to start use this method. And if you like it, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I will upload more videos in the future. So please subscribe and like my video. And of course, if you can, I wish if you can share my videos on social media. I really recommend and appreciate if you can do this. Thank you again, and good luck, and have a good day. Thank you very much.